What if the universe as we know it began not with an explosion, but with the tiniest ripple in an infinite sea of potential? What if what we think of as nothing is, in fact, the birthplace of everything? Today, we journey to the edge of science, philosophy, and metaphysics to explore the origin of our universe and the mysteries of what lies beyond the theory that the universe emerged from nothing reveals the limited certainties we have about the cosmos. One such certainty is the observation that the universe is expanding. This expansion implies that everything originated from a single point in space and time. Evidence supporting this claim includes the detection of cosmic microwave background radiation, which is considered the faint echo of the universe's explosive birth during the Big Bang. Initially, the universe's expansion was thought to follow a linear pattern. This observation has led researchers to propose three potential fates for the universe. The first, known as the Big Freeze, suggests that the cosmos will continue to expand indefinitely, with energy dissipating until stars burn out and even black holes collapse, leaving behind a cold and lifeless void. Another possibility, the Big Rip, foresees the universe tearing itself apart as it expands uncontrollably. Lastly, the Big Crunch posits that gravitational forces will reverse the expansion, causing the universe to contract and collapse into itself. Understanding how the universe might end could provide crucial insights into its beginnings and the enigmatic concept of nothingness. Modern science increasingly entertains the idea that our universe may have originated from a precursor cosmos. The notion of a cyclical pattern, where something arises from nothing only to return to nothing, is losing favor among physicists. Imagine a future where the last supermassive black hole absorbs all remaining matter, ultimately collapsing into itself. In this scenario, one might conclude that everything dissolves into nothingness. Yet, according to quantum mechanics, absolute nothingness is an impossibility. Instead, a state of pure potential, a quantum vacuum, would remain. Observing the cosmos, one might assume the space between stars and galaxies is empty. Historically, this was a widely held belief. Today, however, we know that this nothingness is filled with dark matter, invisible structures, and other enigmatic phenomena awaiting discovery. Much like the invisible gases and electromagnetic waves that surround us on Earth, space is not truly empty. For a long time, scientists hypothesized the existence of an absolute vacuum in the universe. This notion has since been challenged by the principles of quantum mechanics, which reveal that even the most fundamental state of existence is a seething quantum field of potential. Quanta, the building blocks of light and energy, are at the heart of this understanding. These particles demonstrate a fascinating duality. They exist in undefined states until measured or observed, at which point they collapse into particles. Quanta represent pure potential, neither something nor nothing. This insight has reshaped our understanding of the universe's origins and its inevitable end. For instance, in the distant future, when all matter has been consumed by black holes, the cosmos will transition into a state of pure energy and information. Einstein's famous equation reinforces this idea. Energy, the fundamental essence of the cosmos, can neither be created nor destroyed. After the universe's last black hole collapses, all residual energy will condense into a neutral state, potentially resembling a faint quantum fluctuation. This residual energy, often referred to as the zero-point field, exists as an infinite yet unobservable potential. While this state might appear to be nothingness, it holds the capacity for creation. According to quantum physics, even the tiniest imbalance in these fluctuations could spark the emergence of a new universe. This chain reaction, a quantum leap, would mirror the conditions of the Big Bang, where undefined potential coalesced into matter and energy. Thus, what we perceive as the end of the universe might simultaneously mark the beginning of a new one. The collapse of the last black hole could catalyze the creation of another cosmos. This suggests that creation and destruction are cyclical, with each ending containing the seeds of a new beginning. Does this process imply the existence of a creator? Quantum mechanics reveals that particles take form only when observed, hinting at the necessity of an observer or intelligence to initiate creation. Could this observer be a divine force or God? This intersection of science, religion, and philosophy has long fascinated humanity. Ancient scholars treated these fields as one, only separating them in modern times. Today, metaphysics embraces concepts like infinity and eternity, pondering whether the cosmos is governed by an eternal being or an impersonal cycle of energy. It acknowledges the limits of human understanding, suggesting that some truths may transcend mathematical expression. Philosophy, meanwhile, grapples with the nature of existence. The presence of something implies the possibility of nothingness, especially in the context of death. Many spiritual traditions propose that creation operates in eternal cycles, where the death of one entity, be it a person or a universe, ushers in the birth of another. This view aligns with emerging scientific theories of a cyclical universe. If true, this model implies that the collapse of our universe will inevitably lead to the emergence of a new one. The potential for creation is embedded in the remnants of the old cosmos, perpetuating a never-ending cycle. But what triggers this cycle? What governs the zero-point field and its infinite potential? Science has yet to answer these profound questions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this mystery. Do you believe in a divine creator, or do you lean toward the idea of impersonal cosmic cycles? Share your perspective in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating discussions.